Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by opening the page and going straight to Settings right arrow Professional Dashboard. Do this now. Once done, confirm you are an admin in Business Manager and that two-factor authentication is active. These are gating factors. Make sure a payment method and basic business verification are available because features unlock only after verification. You will save time by preparing documents and card details before proceeding. This avoids interruptions when enabling monetization, ads, or creator tools. Now you configure the dashboard. Toggle on creator tools or monetization depending on goals. Enable ad tools only if you plan paid promotion. Once activated, set analytics windows, define content categories, and assign access levels. Grant only necessary permissions to team members. Make sure to connect Instagram accounts, product catalogs, and any third-party integrations for shopping or scheduling because those connections feed data and features into the dashboard. Check sync status and wait for initial data to finish, publish, or schedule a few posts to trigger dashboards and ad experiments. Watch impressions, engagement, and revenue metrics closely in the first 48-72 hours. Once you see early data, adjust roles, budgets, and creative assets to optimize performance. If something fails, features grayed out or integrations missing, first clear your browser cache and cookies, reauthorize the Instagram or catalog connection, and confirm business verification status. If problems persist, try a different admin account before contacting support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.